What's up, everybody? We got it. 16.8. It's here. Let's open it up. I recorded that before I recorded this. Why would I set this shot up, then set up my overhead shot? I'm not gonna do that. I already obviously unboxed it. Here it is. Oh man, it is tiny. Look at this thing. Oh, I can eat it. It's so small. And I haven't had a lens this wide for my Fuji, aside from like a manual focus lens that I was using, you know, which is just annoying when I'm shooting pictures. So here it is on the camera. So one thing that I'm gonna do is I gotta put my gear on there. So the problem is we've got this lip right here. This lip, look at that. It like pops out and in, so I can't get the gear over that lip. Whereas with like the other lenses, it doesn't, it tapers in, you know? I hope that when I heat this up, that I can sort of push it over the top of that lip. So tiny. Well, like one thing I really want to do is see the video, the IQ video comparison of the 16.14 to the 16.8, because I bet there's no difference. What else? Oh, great. So here's another great news. So if you watched my last video, which I'll put a link in the bottom, I did a video on turning these small compact Fuji primes into a Cinema Kit. As you know, I'm using these XUME adapters then. These are these like magnetic adapters that you can attach ND filters or other filters to really quickly. So it adds, look at that, it adds, so there's the metal piece that's a magnet that goes on the lens, then there's the magnet that goes on the filter, and then there's the filter. So it adds like 3 steps of distance away from the lens. And I was like, this is definitely gonna vignette, right? There it is. Look, that's with it on. Look, there's a bright corner on that corner, bright corner on that corner, bright corner on the bottom corners. See the bottom corners? No vignette. I like the hood. I like the lens hood. You guys can look it up. It's really nice. It's just a petal leaf. I'll let you know if I get annoyed with the 2.8 aperture. This is really going to throw a stick in my spokes, because I am so used to f2 on everything that tossing this on to go wider and then losing a stop of light. You're at shutter 48, you're at ISO 800, and you usually just want to stay right there. So then I can bump up to 1600. It looks good on 1600, so I can bump up to 1600, but it's just annoying. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you guys have it? Do you like it? Is it cool? Is it what you wanted? Thanks. Peace.